Most people assume tracking sleep is just about wearing a watch or plugging in a device. But here's the surprising truth. Apps like Huckleberry can actually improve your sleep patterns by analyzing behavior and giving actionable insights. Today, I'm sharing an honest review of the Huckleberry Sleep Tracker app. Huckleberry is designed for both adults and children. You log sleep times, naps, and routines, and the app uses AI to predict optimal sleep schedules and provide personalized advice. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on tracking hours. Huckleberry emphasizes quality, consistency, and behavior patterns. For example, it can alert parents to inconsistent nap schedules or suggest bedtime adjustments for children. You won't believe what happens next. After a few weeks of tracking, the app offered tips that actually helped improve sleep consistency. Notifications reminded me to start bedtime routines, and the sleep predictions were surprisingly accurate. The app also integrates with wearable devices to capture data automatically, reducing manual input. For children, it provides gentle advice rather than strict rules, which makes following recommendations easier. Now the downsides. Some features require a subscription, and certain advanced analytics are limited without it. Accuracy depends on consistent logging and data input, and results may vary by individual. The surprising truth about Huckleberry is that it doesn't just record sleep, it helps you make better choices. By adjusting bedtime routines, nap schedules, and sleep environment, you can see real improvements. So who should use Huckleberry? Parents tracking children's sleep, or adults looking to improve patterns with actionable advice rather than just raw numbers. If this review helped you understand Huckleberry, subscribe for more honest sleep and wellness app reviews before investing in a tracker.